Welcome back to Home Lifestyle and Decor. Today I'll share some unique, long-lasting and unusual gift ideas which will definitely bring a smile to your face. We are excited to share how easily you can make these simple but cute smiley pots for return gifts. You can also transform your old terracotta pots into a colorful accent for your home with just a little bit of paint and creativity. So let's start. Before we continue, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel for more budget-friendly ideas if you haven't already done so. For this colorful pots, I have used some bright oil paints. Applied oil paint on the pots after thoroughly cleaning and drying it. Pots with plates and a few small garden rocks are ready after 2 coats of paint dried completely. We have used acrylic paints and permanent markers to draw different smiley faces on the painted pots to bring a smile to everyone's faces. It is very easy and fun project which you can do with your kids during their vacation. Similarly painted on some of the rocks also to place them along with the pots and plants. For the gift tags, use 3D golden and bronze outliners on the recycled paper. To keep it eco-friendly, plastic bags have not been used. Instead, these cotton bags were ordered from Amazon. Now the eco-friendly gifts are ready, good for the environment and good for the soul.